Wow, we are back here. Before I start this video, I just have to say, pardon my absence, pardon my tardiness, pardon my just everything. Like, I have not posted a video in so long. First of all, I have to say shout out to all of my subscribers. Those of you who have watched my videos from the beginning, thank you so much. And I'm still gaining new subscribers, so welcome. Like, I have not uploaded a video in over a year, probably like over a year and a half, I don't even know. Child, whew, it has been a year to say the least. A great one, but Lord, busy. So before I start like uploading content and kind of just picking up where I left off, I figured let me let y'all know what has been going on since I have been absent. And I don't know if you noticed something different. Huh? Am I giving it away yet? Huh? I colored my hair. If you want to see how I colored it, let me know. I did record the process. I did it myself. It's only been about almost 2 weeks since I've dyed it, so it's still kind of new. It looks different in kind of different lightings, of course, but I was going for honey blonde, so let me know what you think, because the last time you guys saw me, I had dark brown hair. All right, so it's hot. It's hot. Last time y'all saw me, I don't even know the last video I uploaded, but it was something I really care about. Hardly nobody watched the video. I had moved from where I originally was, so y'all saw that my background's changed. I moved in with my grandparents and we really downsized, so I really was just not feeling the space that I was in. I did not want to record anymore. I just didn't feel like my space was good. Like, I didn't like it. So another reason why I slowed down was because right after I moved, I got a new job. And I went from working part-time, so only like 2 to 3 days a week, to working 5 days a week, okay? So I was adjusting to having a full-time job. And I work 7:30 to 5, so it's like long days, and I really just wasn't used to it. So that was another reason why I stopped doing content. So from the middle of 2017 to the end of the year, I pretty much was just like working. The end of 2017, I got engaged to Joshua. He was the one who was in the Wisdom Tooth video, which, by the way, y'all showed so much love to the video. That was not fake. I really legit wanted to record how I would be, because I've seen funny videos before, so that was not made up. I was heavily sedated, and those were the results. I still laugh at that video to this day. Anywho, he proposed the end of December. So I got engaged, y'all, in 2017, which meant wedding planning. So the beginning of 2018, I started planning my wedding. Also, if you don't know, I am a dental assistant. I worked in the dental field for a little over, I think, 3 years now. And I'm looking to move up the ladder. I love my job, but I just want more money, more respect, you know, stuff like that when you move up the ladder. So I wanted to start school so that I could become a dental hygienist. So 2018, I just got engaged, so I'm planning my wedding. And now I'm starting school to become a dental hygienist. So I was working full-time, planning a wedding, and going to night class. And when I first started, I was doing, I think, 3 classes. So I didn't do full-time, of course, but I was doing 3 classes. So I went to school every day after work, and I had an online class. So really, I was busy. So fast forward to like August. So still working. I'm doing summer class and I'm still planning a wedding. We're getting closer to the date. Originally, that's another thing. At first, I wasn't going to get married until May of this year, 2019. But I couldn't wait that long. We wanted to hurry up and get married, so we decided to move the wedding up to December. So yeah, the wedding moved from 2019 to 2018. So that was a whole nother thing. Like, stuff just sped up like that. So come August, I'm still working, doing my summer class, which is accelerated. And the wedding is coming up, so we start looking to find a house. And y'all, the process of buying a house is a video in and of itself. Yeah, if you want to know about how that went, we're both young. My husband's 22, I'm 22, we're the same age. We bought a condo, townhome. It looks like a townhome, it's technically a condo, but we're owning. So if you want to know how we did all of that, let me know. You will be seeing more of my husband. He lives with me, of course, now. But I just think it's crazy. Like, when I started my YouTube, we were together and y'all maybe seen him twice. So that's sad. Let me know if you want to know how the process of buying a house went for a young couple, because it was a lot. We started in August and we didn't actually close on the home until the end of November. So yeah, we were buying a house from August to November, so that was hectic. Okay, and then December, got married. That was awesome. Wedding video is coming out soon. I do plan to upload it so you guys can see. But yeah, it's just really been a busy year and a half for me. No complaints. I'm extremely blessed. I'm very happy. And I just wanted to kind of give a video before I start uploading to like update you guys on what's been going on, just to talk to you. So yeah, basically this year is going to be kind of different. I do plan on uploading more content because I'll have kind of some more free time. I have more space and I'm with Josh every day now, so it'll be easier for us to record. When I first started this channel, it was very much so hair and beauty related, and my hair is not doing so great right now. If I'm being completely honest, I don't like it anymore. I like the color, but the curl pattern is trash. They're not even gonna go there right now. But I'm really like kind of over my hair. I want to change it up, which is why I colored it, but I'm still not satisfied. I just want something different. I want to start fresh. So we'll see. Keep your eyes out because there could be some changes coming up soon. But yeah, I just want to say, like, thank you to everyone who has kind of stuck it out through my little hiatus and being busy. And I really just missed YouTube. I want to get back to it, but just kind of for fun. I let myself get discouraged and just frustrated that I wasn't getting the amount of views I wanted, the amount of interaction I wanted. But I really just got to focus on why I did it from the beginning, was just because I wanted to put out content that I was passionate about and I wanted to share it with you all. So that's just the goal now. As always, I love you guys. Thank you so much for the support that has been constant throughout my little break. And you will be seeing more of me. You will be seeing more of Joshua. And I'm just super excited for where the channel is going to go this year. So please, if you can, hit that subscribe button. Hit the notification little bell so that you don't miss any more of my videos. And comment, interact with me. I love to talk to you guys. Let me know what other videos you guys would like to see this year. Anything you want to know about young marriage and just life stuff, because it's been some life stuff happening. So if you're curious to know, let me know, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.